Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ife, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this blueberry oats bites as part of the lunchbox series that I've been doing for my kids. And I hope you enjoyed and keep watching. And for reference, I'm going to be listing out all the ingredients as well as the measurements used for this recipe. I'll put them down in the description box below. But if you have any other questions, you can drop down a comment in the comment section and I'll do well to respond.